Curious viewer? Welcome to our channel where we expose the biggest faults and truth about our current food industry. In this video, we will discuss a major mistake in the production of the pans that we may use on a daily basis. We all know them, the Tefal pans. You might have used your Tefal pan today, but after this video, you will probably throw the pan in the trash. Apparently, there is a harmful substance in Tefal pans that can cause cancer. Here's how it goes. Some Tefal manufacturers use the substance PFOA in the production process. PFOA is one of the substances classified under the collective term PFAS. PFOA can end up in the environment and is occasionally found in measurable concentrations in Tefal pans. It is a toxic and likely carcinogenic substance. Improper use can damage the Teflon coating, such as through the use of spatulas, forks, or using excessively high temperatures. According to the inventor, and still the main manufacturers of Teflon, the coating begins to deteriorate at temperatures above 260 degrees Celsius due to heat. When Tefal is heated above 260 degrees, it starts to break down. Various substances are formed, including several that are highly toxic. These substances often include components that are gaseous, which can have particularly undesirable consequences. The substances that exist when Tefal is overheated are toxic to humans, but even more so to birds. There have been multiple reports in the media about birds that have died due to overheating of Tefal pans, such as canaries and parrots. Nowadays, multiple manufacturers advise against keeping birds near the kitchen. In extreme cases, the substances that are generated by overheating Teflon can cause flu-like symptoms in humans. This phenomenon is also known as Teflon Flu. In West Virginia, a factory dumped chemical waste in a landfill. The chemical company DuPont produced the substance PFOA there. In the 1940s, DuPont introduced the non-stick coating Teflon, known from Tefal pans. For a farmer in West Virginia, something was clearly very wrong. His cows had completely black teeth, were born deformed, and had ingrown hooves. All those cows drank from the stream that flowed through his land. That same stream also passed through the factory landfill and was filled with PFOA. Scientists are convinced that there is a link between various types of cancer and PFAS substances. This is evident from a study involving over 70,000 people who drank contaminated tap water for decades. It is certain that 99% of the world's population has these substances in their bodies. Even polar bears in the Arctic are contaminated. How is that possible? Through inhaling polluted air, drinking contaminated tap water, cooking in pans with a non-stick coating, coming into contact with firefighting foam, wearing a water-repellent raincoat, or by doing none of that and still coming into contact with PFAS. Did the inventor hide this alarming fact for years? As early as 1960s, the inventor looked into the effects of PFAS on animals and their own staff. The company put Teflon in cigarettes and gave them to assembly line workers. The inventor discovered enlarged organs in test animals. Pregnant women working in the Teflon factory in West Virginia gave birth to babies with deformed faces. The inventor was aware of this, but kept it hidden from the authorities. Moreover, in America, companies are allowed to determine whether a substance is toxic or not and set their own safe limits. After 2 decades of awareness about PFAS, very little has changed in the U.S. in a politically divided country. Thank you for watching our video. Keep an eye on our channel for more facts, theories, and major mistakes in our food industry. Don't worry, we'll keep you updated. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.